Okay, so here is the new version of the Black Diamond receiver cap. One thing I screwed up on, I'm going to make a little bushing for it. That hole's supposed to be 377 where the spring goes, and I grabbed a 7/16 end mill accidentally. I don't think it's going to make any difference, but I'm going to make a little press-in bushing just in case the recipient wants to put that in there. He can put it in and tap it in with a soft mallet, or press it in with a drill press or something like that. A little super glue on it and just press it in. I don't think it's going to make any difference. The original plug, the measurements I got were 3/4 by 16 thread. I believe the actual thread is a M19 by 1.5, because when I sent the other plug out, or the other cap, he said it went in about a turn or so and then wouldn't go in all the way. So I'm guessing the M16 or the M1.5 pitch on the thread and a standard 16 pitch are pretty close to the same thread. They look quite a bit alike. They just don't fit. So anyway, here's the M19 by 1.5. There's the hole I bored too big, 7/16 instead of 2/1000 over 3/8. So I'll make that little bushing 206 thousandths long to fit down into there. So if it's a problem, he can press that bushing in there. I increased the angle on the original plug, the original cap. I was 15 degrees. I increased that to 30. I think that looks a little nicer, a little more taper to it. So anyway, Culp 1, there you go, buddy. Hopefully that fits. I'm going to send it off to you probably a day or two once I get the little bushing made for you. We'll go ahead and send it out. So anyway, there you go. One thing I wanted to add, so I converted all the metric, major diameter. When Michigan Muzzy measured his, it was 18.85 millimeters, and I didn't write down what that converted to, but I pulled it up on my thread calculator, and I got 0.7468 thousandths. I did the conversions over from metric to inches, and 0.4374 major diameter. I'm just a couple of tenths under the 7468 when I turned down the first diameter on the plug or on the cap. And then my dimension over the wires, with doing the calculations off from my wire chart here, metric threads, 1.5 pitch, shows to use the wire size 40 thousandths. And then we added the constant, or subtract the constant from the dimension you get over the wires. And anyway, it came out to, there's more math in that than, it's not really you add and then you subtract, but anyway, the dimensions ended up 77726 to 77176 would make that thread be in spec. And I came out at 775 right on the nose. So I'm 2 thousandths under max diameter and 4 thousandths above, they're about 3.3 thousandths above minimum diameter. So I'm kind of right there in the middle, so it should fit real nice if it is indeed an M19 thread. So anyway, we're gonna drop it in the mail here in a couple of days once I get the little bushing made, and hopefully it fits. So Culp One, let us know how it fits. Send us a picture or send me a message and let me know I screwed it up again.